No way, bro. Huh? This is fucking crazy talk. My acetylene tank, empty, from the distributor. Unbelievable. Doo-doo-doo. What else could happen? Bro? What else could happen, huh? Dude? Excuse me? Dude, what is going on here? Bro. What? Are you fucking kidding me? Wow, dude. That's unbelievable, dude.
Hell yeah, what is that? Anyway, just straight acetylene?
Yeah.
And what gives it the... How does it take air in somewhere? Like, how does that shit work? I've just always been curious, because I know...
A turbo torch.
I've used them before, I'm just like, damn, how does that work off one, but that one works off two?
So, right, to create flame, what do you need?
Oxygen.
Fuel.
Source, combustion.
Oxygen, fuel,
source,
and spark, right?
Yeah. Yep.
So, this just has, like, how much oxygen's in the air around us? Like 18% in the atmosphere, right?
Is it?
Yeah, something like that. 18
I wish
to 20%.
there was a lot more, man.
If there was actually 1% more, you would never be able to put out a wildfire.
No.
Neil deGrasse Tyson told me that.
Como quisiera decirte, respira, verte, respira, verte, respira. Y así va pasando el tiempo.
I could dig it. It just looks better on all one piece.
Well.
Y así va pasando el tiempo.
Golden pony boy. This has gotta be sick. This gotta be sick. I just like to sweep it while we're sitting here waiting. A second. Let's get this out. Let's get this out. Go ahead, put this on here. Four-ton 454B 13. Done. Done. $278. Close her up. Yeah, that does say 85 microns holding. Yep, that's right. That's how good my vacuums are, bitch. Boop. There we go. Quiet as a whistle. Let's see what we got for pressures in 20 minutes. All right, got a bunch of pressures and numbers here that I'm okay with. It's not amazing, but I can live with them and I can sleep at night. So that looks beautiful. Let's get the fuck out of here. Performing a drain test here. Make sure it gets outside. Nice.
Como quisiera decirte